We now come to the solved example on page 86 of your textbook. Example 1. An object is placed vertically at a distance of 20 centimeters from a convex lens. If the height of the object is 5 centimeters and the focal length of the lens is 10 centimeters, what will be the position and nature of the image? How much bigger will the image be as compared to the object? Solution. Now what we are given? An object is placed vertically. That means U is equal to 20 centimeters. From a convex lens, so I'm writing over here convex lens. If the height of the object, that is H1, is equal to 5 centimeters and the focal length is equal to 10 centimeters, what will be the position? Position means they want to find out what is the image distance is equal to question mark. So remember, position means V, that is the image distance. They want to know the nature, whether it is real, inverted, erect, virtual. How much bigger? Now bigger, you have to know what is H2 is equal to question mark. That is how much bigger the image is as compared to the object. That means we have to know the magnification, because they are asking us to compare, and unless we know H2 we cannot compare. So now let's see how we solve the sum. We have to use the lens formula, that is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Now you know, boys, that over here U is always negative. U is always negative because it is on the left hand side. So now we have 1 upon 10, because F is 10, is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon minus 20. Now you have two signs. So you have 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon 20. Now you have to find out V. So you have 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon V. So now here the denominators are different. So you have to either find out by LCM or by cross multiplying. So you get 20 minus 10 upon 200 is equal to 1 upon V. Now 20 minus 10 is 10 upon 200 is equal to 1 upon V. Now this 0 and this 0 cancel. So you get 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon V. So what is V equal to? 20. The very thing that V is positive means the image is real. Now we have to find out the size, the nature. We know it is real. Now let us find out H2. You know M is equal to H1, H2 upon H1. Yes, we know this, which is equal to V upon U. So now that is equal to, now what we have to find out the size, H2 upon what is H1, 5 is equal to 20 upon minus 20. So you get minus H2 is equal to 20 into 5 upon 20. So now you get this 20 and 20 cancel. So H2 is equal to minus 5. Now very thing that H2 is negative means that the image is inverted. Image is inverted. Now they want to know what is the size. So magnification is equal to V upon U, which is equal to 20 upon minus 20. So that is equal to minus 1, because when you cut this, you will get 1. So that means you will find what is the magnification. You will say it is same size. That means the object and the image are of the same size. So the first thing is, what is V? V is equal to 20. V is equal to 20. They're asking you what is the nature. The nature is inverted because this is negative, and it is real because V was positive. Then what is the size? The size of the image is minus 5. Minus 5 means inverted. Then they ask you to compare both of them. The size of both of them is the same.